color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, red color, sky blue color, light pink color, orange color, black color, yellow color, brown color, and light green color. Okay, so now you draw one. A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. T. T for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G. G. G for God. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for whale. Kids, now you draw X. X. X for telephone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3. Kids, now you draw 4. 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much. Sky blue color, pink color, light pink color, orange color, black color, brown color, yellow color, purple color, light green color, blue color, red color, and green color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. T. T for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for God. Kids, now you draw H. The alphabets of H. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for king. Kids, now you draw L. The alphabets of L. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. The alphabets of O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. The alphabets of R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V. The alphabets of V. V for van. W for wheel. Kids, now you draw X. The alphabets of X. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z green color, white green color, sky blue color, black color, brown color, yellow color, orange color, red color, blue color, purple color, light pink color, and pink color. So kids, now you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers of 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19, 20, 21. Kids, now you draw 22. The numbers of 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26. The numbers of 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.